Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Joy Eto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this nutty chocolate banana bread. Yum yum yum. Let's get into the recipe, you guys. So first off, you're going to be needing some ripe bananas. Of course, I'm going to be using about 3 ripe bananas for this recipe. Please check the description box for all the list of the ingredients and their measurements, so that you know exactly how much ingredients that went into making this banana bread. Using a fork, we're going to mash through our bananas till they come to a puree form, but not completely smooth. I love to have some chunks of banana in my banana bread, but feel free to, beat it till it's completely smooth if that's what you like. If you're seeing my channel for the first time and you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of this family. It costs you nothing, but it goes a long way to encouraging me to making more videos. Okay, let's get back to making our banana bread. As you can see, my banana has mashed through. It still has some tiny chunks in there, but that's just how I like it. And to that, I'm going to be adding 3 eggs and of course some melted butter. You guys, melted butter is so important in your banana bread. It helps to keep it moist and delicious. So you don't even want to skip that and use oil. Melted butter is the real deal. So we're going to whisk that to combine completely. And then we're going to go ahead to add the rest of the ingredients. I don't know about you guys, but I enjoy baking a lot. I feel like it is very, very therapeutic. When I am stressed, I just go to my kitchen and I start baking or I start cooking, because you guys, cooking and baking is just magical as far as I'm concerned. Okay, now that all that is mixed together, we're going to go in to add our dark brown sugar. You guys, the darker your brown sugar, the browner your banana bread is going to look. So if you don't like that really brown look of banana bread, feel free to use light brown sugar. Also, scroll down my channel, you're going to find a recipe on how to make brown sugar at home. You don't even have to buy. So we're going to whisk that to combine till the sugar is mixed properly into the egg, the butter and the banana mixture. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes really. And now that all that is mixed together, we're going to add in some milk. You guys, this banana bread recipe is none that you've ever seen. This is the real deal. This is what you want. It is so rich. It is so lush. Every bit of this banana bread is simply delicious. Now, to amp up the taste of this banana bread and the flavor, we're going to be adding some vanilla extract. This just amplifies the taste and the flavor of my banana bread. We're going to whisk that to combine completely. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And then we're going to start to add our dry ingredients. You guys, if you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed, come on, click the subscribe button and be a part of the family. Also hit the notification bell so you always get notified when I post my videos. So I add in my flour, some salt, baking soda, and of course baking powder. Feel free to check the description box for the list of all ingredients and their measurements. So now that I've added the dry ingredients, I'm going to go ahead to just combine them, like gently fold it in. You want to be careful with this process as you do not want to over mix, which would leave you with hard, dense bread when it is done baking. But when you fold it in properly, it leaves you with very soft bread when it is done baking. I went ahead to change my spatula to a whisk because it just felt better. So feel free to continue with a spatula if that works for you. I'm just going to keep mixing until everything is well combined. Now, as you can see, this is well combined, and we're going to be adding our other magical ingredients, which is crushed peanuts and some raisins. You guys, this takes this banana bread to a whole new level. Like I said, this is the real deal when it comes to banana bread. Any other recipe you've seen, forget it. This is what you need. So I'm going to gently fold and combine the crushed peanuts and the raisins into our batter. And you guys, come on. This batter looks so delicious. I feel like licking it. This banana bread was so good. My family finished it in minutes after I came out of the oven. So at this point, I have combined the raisins and the crushed peanuts, and it's time to add in some milk chocolate that I chopped up earlier. Add that in and then just fold to combine as well. Fold till it is properly combined. And then we are going to pour this into our prepared pan. You guys, at this point, I'm going to advise that once you start mixing your banana bread, you turn on your oven so that your oven is properly heated by the time you're done mixing, because it really doesn't take long to mix this up, and you want your oven to be properly preheated so you don't have to put the batter in the oven for too long. So now we're pouring that batter into our prepared pan. Look at all that lusciousness, you guys. So I'm just going to pour everything into my already prepared pan, and then I'm going to top it off with some more milk chocolate that I chopped earlier. I'm just going to put that and sprinkle that on top, and ooh, this is so good. Make sure you don't overfill your pan so that when the bread is baking, it doesn't spill out of your pan. It comes out just right. So I'm going to sprinkle that, and then we're going to put this in the oven to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees, okay? And after that, our banana bread should be ready. Once a toothpick goes in and comes out dry. You guys, look at this banana bread. Just look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all